A US ground operation in Iran will happen 100% and markets will fall where no one expects. Are you waiting for alt-season? Take off your rose-colored glasses. While you are losing money, I will show you what to do in this bloody crash. The technology sector is in free fall. $5 trillion wiped out from the all-time highs of the Magnificent Seven. Microsoft and Meta collapsed by a third. Tesla is down 25%, while the crowd is in horror. I will just remind you, I'm shorting the entire bubble. I'm shorting the S&P 500. Tesla, Meta and gold, and I am in massive profit. The bear market is just beginning, and here is why the bottom is still far away. Daily market review, Tuesday, March 31st. Let's face the truth. Historically, before US midterm elections, the stock market drops an average of 18%. Right now, the drawdown is only 10%. Therefore, we have room to fall. The trigger for the crash is already prepared. Everyone is talking about a US ground operation in Iran. I'm 100% sure it will happen soon. It is just a matter of time. When the tanks advance, the markets will drown in blood. And what about Bitcoin? It lost its main sponsor. For the first time in 13 weeks, Michael Saylor did not announce a Bitcoin purchase. The streak is broken. Why is this a disaster? Because over the last month, his strategy company bought 45,000 coins. That is 98% of all corporate purchases. The rest of the companies in the world bought a miserable 2%. The market was held up by one fanatic, whose total share reached 76% of all corporate reserves. Saylor stopped, and there is no one else to support the price. If this analysis saves your money from liquidation, support the video with a like. It helps the algorithms. Let's go to on-chain data. Short-term investors are caught in a death trap. Their average loss is $18,000 per coin. But the most interesting part, the average entry price dropped from $100,000 to $85,000. What does this mean? They are aggressively averaging down their losing positions. They are throwing their last money into the fire. Remember the rule, the real bottom will only form when the prices crashes so hard that these people simply run out of money to average down. Total capitulation is ahead. Forget about altcoins. Over 40% of alts are now at absolute all-time lows. This is worse than the last bear cycle 2022. The sector is dead. 47 million useless tokens have been created. This is a brutal purge. Technical analysis. Bitcoin bounced to 68,400. I will be honest, right now Bitcoin is chopping back and forth, hunting stops of both longest and shortest. According to max pain levels and liquidation maps, there is a lot of liquidity at 70,000. The maximum upside I see is 72 to 73,000 zone. The heat map is burning bright both above and below. Wild volatility awaits us. My strategy, I do not trade Bitcoin manually in this meat grinder. Instead, my bots work for me, both long and short simultaneously, bringing stable passive income. But manually, I continue to aggressively short the stock market and wait for the global crash. Save your cash, gentlemen. Subscribe, let's continue tomorrow.